In the annals of modern art, a revolutionary shift was about to occur, a digital odyssey that would forever change the landscape of creativity and commerce. The year was 2014, a time when the internet had already transformed countless industries, but the world of art remained largely uncharted territory. In the heart of Silicon Valley, a programmer named Kevin McCoy and his artist wife, Anna, were about to shatter the traditional boundaries of art ownership. They created the first ever non-fungible token, NFT, artwork, a digital piece called Quantum. Quantum, a visual composition of colors and shapes, was more than just a digital image. It was a beacon of change, a symbol of the dawning digital age. But the art world was skeptical, unsure of the implications of this new medium. The crisis loomed large. Artists and collectors alike questioned the legitimacy of digital art, and the concept of owning something as intangible as a digital file seemed ludicrous. The traditional art world was steeped in physicality, intangible works that could be touched, held, and owned. The idea of a digital artwork being unique, irreplaceable, and owned was a notion that threatened to topple centuries of tradition. But in the heart of the storm, McCoy and his wife saw something different. They saw a future where art could be democratized, where ownership could be verified, and where artists could truly flourish in the digital realm. They saw a future where art could exist beyond the confines of physical galleries and the whims of the elite. And so, they took action. On September 18, 2014, McCoy sold Quantum as an NFT for a mere 0.25 Ethereum, a cryptocurrency that was barely a year old at the time. The sale marked the birth of the NFT art blockchain, a decentralized platform where digital art could flourish in a new, digital world. The consequences were profound. The sale of Quantum opened the floodgates for a new era of digital art, one where ownership was verifiable, where artists could earn a living from their creations, and where the traditional barriers of the art world could be overcome. The NFT art blockchain was not just a new platform for art, it was a revolution, a digital odyssey that would forever change the landscape of modern art. And so, the digital art world began to grow, nurtured by the seeds planted by McCoy and his wife. The NFT art blockchain stood as a testament to the power of innovation, a symbol of the potential of the digital age, and a beacon of hope for artists everywhere. The future was digital, and the NFT art blockchain was leading the way.